Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys some recipes that you can create without the blown blossom. I keep saying that. I said that yesterday. Bone blossom plant and grow a garden. It works sometimes. It sometimes like makes something else, but you're just going to have to try yourself and experiment yourself. Also, it does help if your fruits, plants, etc. are bigger. So for instance, transcendent sweet tea, you'll need 1 burning bud, which is this one here. Oh, oops, wrong one. I meant this one here. And 3 sugar apple, which is... Where did I put it? Hello? I think I put... Oh, it's here. It's right there. And then we have sandwich, which is 1 corn, which is this one here. 1 corn. And then 3 elder strawberry, which I have there, and 1 tomato, which is near the corn. And then for the porridge, 1 corn and 4 sugar apple. Candy apple, you'll need 3 sugar apple and 1 apple. For a smoothie, you'll need 1 sugar apple and 1 amber lily. So this is the amber lily that we have here. And then spaghetti, 2 amber lily, 1 corn, 1 beanstalk, 1 tomato. Salad, you'll need 4 sugar apple and 1 tomato. Pie, you'll need 1 amber lily or 1 beanstalk and 1 coconut. And then hot dog, you'll need 1 corn, 1 amber lily, and 2 elder strawberry. Waffle, you'll need 1 coconut and 1 sugar apple. Ice cream, 1 sugar glaze and 1 sugar apple. Donut, 1 sugar glaze, 2 sugar apple. Sushi, 1 bamboo, 1 pepper, 1 amber lily, 1 corn. Cake, 1 corn, 1 tomato, 1 banana, and 1 sugar apple. Pizza, 1 corn, 1 tomato, 1 pepper, 1 sugar apple. Burger, 1 corn, 1 tomato, 1 amber lily. And those are the ones I found so far without bone blossom and grow a garden. Maybe if you have some, you can give some to me. I'm just kidding. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.